Good morning, it's your boy Jay. We're back with another video. I haven't logged into my campaign or anything today yet, so I'm gonna show you guys the results. My campaign should start running at midnight, and now it is 9 o'clock in the morning, January 23rd, Saturday. So let's look at the results so far. Log into digistore24. 2,200 so far. Let's see. Today's date is the 23rd. $276 so far. Now let's go look at my campaign and see if we in profit. Alright, made a core campaign. Get the ad. So far, 24 clicks, 415 impressions, click-through rates 5.78, which is good. Average cost per click $4.20. I spent $100 so far. I made $276, so we are in profit. So we're in profit for the day, Saturday. My campaign is still going. I still have about $26 more to spend on my campaign. My ad budget to daily budget is at $126, so let's see if we can squeeze in at least 2 more sales, and I'll update you guys later on. In the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, and follow me on Instagram.